it's sometimes boring for more. Also, I want to teach about the latest dictionaries and these lots of theories, and they are too boring, and I can't stand it. But we need to learn them to can solve the questions. I like the programming. After you learn the fundamentals, you can make something great. I like creating games and AIs. I'm gonna to teach you, but at first we need to learn a little about them to understand how this works. Okay, we learn about the change items, and we can update the dictionary also. Update is something like changing a little different. We can use it, let's say, and do the test here. I don't know why their tests are so easy, but they are good to see if you understand or not. X type fruit is berry. X type here. It's good for you to see that you understand the how to write the code grammatically right or not. The year value, how we do that, we got create that, and okay, we write 2020 here and submit the answer. What is correct syntax for changing the name from banana to apple? This is not. We gave it the dict in update. Okay, we have done it. Let's go and see what it has for us in add items. We can add items like this. We learn about it. We can update. We know about this. There are nothing special. We learn about them in the previous lessons. We can use add to adding item. Oh, update. Sorry, add. We don't have add. Update, and we also have, we can use here how we can create that. We just create a car and then open and write color here and then close it and an equal here, and here we are going to put red here. It's as easy as possible. X dot update we are using to create a dictionary like here. I think we are right. Okay. Change and add are easy and good to use. I want to go to remove here, but before going to that, I want to tell you something. If you are up till now, learn to do the courses and exercises, you must have a good knowing about algorithm problems and algorithm knowledge. We are not going to cover all of this to Python, JSONs, math. No, we are not going to file handlings, models, matplotlib, machine learning. We are not going to cover all of that because the pace of creating these courses in this site is more than the pace I'm creating video. We are going to go and learn much more visible things and do the things that are great for seeing, but I will teach you until we learn about classes. I think it's enough for now. After that, we are going to learn more about machine learning and other things, AIs, and then we sometimes come back and complete this course, I think. But until that time, please be patient and watch the videos. I'm making this video short for you because I don't want to jump on remove list and look direction in today's lessons, and I want to teach you that in a good mood. Until the next lesson I'm going to teach you, don't forget to have a good time and like and subscribe and ask me if you have any question in the comments. I will answer you in less than 1 or 2 days.